Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. On today's video, we're gonna be making a very simple recipe of chicken feet, or what is known in my home language of Tshivenda as MAKWANDA. I do hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Without further ado, let's get into it. Starting off, we're going to add some vegetable oil, then some onions. We're gonna allow the onions to brown, not just a little bit. Once the brown color starts appearing, that's what we're looking for. So right here I'm transferring, making sure that the onions are distributed throughout the pan so that the heat gets everything all at once. Heat distribution. And right here is when it's starting to cook. Then this is the browning I'm talking about. You're looking for this. It's not too much. They have brown, but it's not the whole entire thing. It's not burnt. Adding in some garlic. Now I added a lot of garlic. You do not have to, and you don't even have to add in the garlic. This is optional. Then we're gonna stir it, and I'm adding it at this point, not at the beginning with the onion, so that it doesn't burn, because it burns very quickly. Now on to adding our seasoning. So I listed them down there, and they're gonna be in the description box, of course, and the exact measurements I used. And here, this is the stock cube, and this is the tomato paste. And then I'm gonna cook it out a little bit just to remove some of the bitterness. Now you could skip the cooking it out a bit and then just add it as you add in the tomatoes. And then right here I'm adding in some tomatoes, and then just mixing everything, making sure that everything, the tomatoes are mixed in with everything. I'm gonna put a lid on it, and so that it just cooks just a little bit more before I put it in the chicken feet. Then we're adding in the chicken feet. Now here I use 1.5 kilograms of the chicken feet. Now adjust every single thing that I've shown you, or the ingredients that I've shown and their measurements in the description box, according to how much of the chicken feet you used. When you buy them in the store, check the label and they will have how much the actual chicken feet weigh, so you don't have to guess it. And here I add in the chicken feet and the water. So I added enough water to cover the chicken feet, and then I'm gonna allow it to simmer for an hour, 30 minutes in total. But as you can see here, after just 1 hour, it looks like it's at a good consistency. Now if you like how they are, and if you like a little bit of crunch, it's cooked, it's fully cooked, it just is a little bit more put together, you know. You can stop at this point, or you can even add in your vegetables like carrots and potatoes, or any other vegetables that you have that you like and would like to eat with the chicken feet. And then you can stop right after they're done cooking. But for me, I added 30 more minutes because I love them like when they are really soft, like almost falling off the bone, like you can see right here with some of them. That's how I like them. I don't like doing too much chewing. So yeah guys, so that is how they're gonna look after an hour, 30 minutes of simmering. They are gonna be a lot softer, but if you do not want that, remember, you can stop at the 1 hour mark, add your vegetables, let them cook, and you're done. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.